Okay, what's up YouTube? Only got a couple seconds, or a couple minutes per se, but I am showing off a camera that my mom owns. It is a, sorry about going off screen, old camcorder. See, dinosaur. Doesn't work. I'm not even going to bother taking it out. It's a 44 times zoom optic. I don't know if I can connect this to my camera. I don't know. Yeah. Anyhow. Well, not this thing, but anyhow. The battery, it won't charge right. See? And that thing's been charging for quite a while. But I don't know what's going on. And it's a JCV. As you can tell right here. See, I like this camera. It focuses okay. But this camera would focus a lot better, that one right here. I just don't know what's going on here. But yeah, like this thing right here is broken. The side door is broken. Yeah, like, y'all can leave in comments and tell me if y'all know what's going on with it. My battery isn't broken or nothing. And yes, that was schoolwork. I have homeschool. I just started back today whenever you guys started yesterday. Oh, and, Happy New Year to those that are subscribed to me. Hold on. Sorry about the loud clicking. That's my case closing, because, like I said, it's a dinosaur. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. It will be in this corner somewhere. Comments will be down there, and the like button also down there. And peace out, YouTube.